Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the code 11 Unarc.dll error. So if you're getting the error Unarc.dll return an error code 11 while installing a game, this video will show you how you can fix it quickly. So this error usually happens when your RAM is unstable or has issue, or there is a corrupt game archive, you have insufficient storage, or your antivirus blocks extraction. So now let's go through all the solutions one by one. The first one, you can fix it by disabling antivirus temporarily. So disable your antivirus temporarily because it might be blocking some file from extracting properly. So you can just go to the settings on your phone, on your computer, and then go to the privacy and security, and in here click on the Windows security, click on the virus and threat protections, and go to the manage settings in here. This one, and you can just turn off the real-time protection. This one, just turn it off like this and click on yes. Second one, you can also check a free space and RAM. So make sure you have at least 2 times the game size free on the drive. Also check if your RAM is faulty or unstable. You can use MemTest86 or Windows Memory Diagnostics, close all background apps before starting installations. And the next solution, you can re-extract the setup files because sometimes the downloaded archive is broken. So re-extract the setup files using the latest WinRAR or 7-zip. You can right-click on the file and choose extract here, and if it shows errors, you can re-download the file from a reliable source. And next one, you can also run setup as admin plus compatibility mode. So you can just right click in the setup file and select run as administrator like this. This is just an example, right? So you can just click on these options when you click on the setup file. And you can also go to properties, compatibility, and check run in compatibility modes for Windows 7 or 8. So that's it. That's how you can fix the Unarc.dll error code 11 in 2025. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment with the game you're trying to install. And also don't forget to click on thanks. Bye.